Hello students, this is my first video lecture on a beautiful poem, Leisure, by the poet W.H. Davis. Now W.H. Davis has personified the beauty of the world around us, which many often fail to observe because of a lack of leisure, that is pastime. So, in this poem, and rather in the poems by W.H. Davis, the main theme remains the same. He used to depict the poems on hardships about life, about adventures, human conditions reflected in nature. According to the poet, a life that is full of anxieties is a poor life. He reminds us to be thankful to God for these beautiful creations and take out time to enjoy them. So, let's go through the poem and understand the meaning of the poem line after line. What is this life if, full of care, we have no time to stand and stare, no time to stand beneath the boughs and stare as long as sheep or cows? The poet in these lines depict about our hurried life. He says that the life has no purpose when it is full of worries and anxiety. We are too busy to admire the beautiful nature around us. We don't even have enough time to stand under the branches of trees and look the sheep and the cattle grazing in the field. No time to see when woods we pass where squirrels hide their nuts in grass. No time to see in broad daylight streams full of stars like skies at night. The poet here says that we do not have the time to look through the trees while going through the forest. We cannot notice the squirrels hiding their nuts in the grass. During the daytime, when the sun rays fall upon the river or stream water, it sparkles as if it is the sky full of stars at night. But we are unfortunate enough to not notice them. No time to turn at beauty's glance and watch her feet how they can dance. No time to wait till her mouth can enrich that smile her eyes began. A poor life this if full of care, we have no time to stand and stare. Now the poet always says a worried life is useless when there is pressure of responsibilities of life. The poet personifies nature here as a beautiful lady, Beauty, who with smile in her eyes dances with joy. A poor life is that when a person does not have the time to look at this beauty of nature. Dancing feet and enchanting smile symbolically refer to various aspects of the beauty around us. So, at the end we can tell that in this poem, the poet encourages us to relax and enjoy life in the midst of nature. Now, from this poem, we can have several questions arising out. For example, we should always think of the main theme of the poem or what the poet actually wants us to tell. What is his message actually? His message is to relax, to enjoy in the lapse of nature. Take out your time from your hurried life and be cheerful with the nature. So, thank you for listening and bye for now. Hope you to see in the next lecture video.